Are you a healthcare professional looking to integrate the most cutting-edge techniques into your practice and transform patient outcomes? Welcome to the future of medicine. University of Bridgeport's Advanced Regenerative Medicine Certificate Program is being offered in partnership with the globally recognized Tulsihub Institute, giving medical professionals and students the opportunity to learn today's most innovative, in-demand treatment techniques. So, what is regenerative medicine, and why should you add it to your professional skill set? The healthcare landscape is constantly evolving, and regenerative medicine offers innovative approaches that harness the body's natural ability to repair and heal. It encompasses techniques and technologies designed to regenerate, repair, or replace damaged cells, tissues, or organs to restore or establish normal function. Key regenerative medicine practices you can learn through our certification programs include cellular therapies, such as stem cell therapy and platelet-rich plasma injections, or PRP, tissue engineering, regenerative orthopedics and joint care with techniques such as prolotherapy and ultrasound-guided injections, regenerative dermatology infusion care with techniques like exosome hair restoration, microneedling, and regenerative facial injections, joint rehab and injury prevention with advanced therapeutic integrations, oncology regenerative care, and dental regenerative care. Driven by advancements in medical technologies and increasing demand for innovative treatments for aging populations, regenerative medicine is an industry experiencing explosive growth, with lucrative and fulfilling career opportunities on the horizon. According to Research and Markets, the global regenerative market is anticipated to grow from roughly $60 billion in 2023 to more than $375 billion in 2031. That's a 26.4% compound annual growth rate, largely thanks to aging global and U.S. populations demanding new, novel treatments for disease, aging, and overall health. Also, factoring into the growth of regenerative medicine is the expansion and acceptance of new technologies, and the developers making them possible. In fact, according to the National Institute of Health, the number of regenerative medicine therapy product developers grew from around 900 in 2018 to at least 2,700 in 2024. Whether you are new to the field of medicine or an experienced practitioner, this premier certification program provides a comprehensive education experience, giving you the skills to bring these in-demand techniques to your patients. You'll learn from experts in the field and gain the advanced knowledge necessary to incorporate these innovative approaches into your own practice. UB's Regenerative Medicine Certificate Program is specifically designed for a wide range of healthcare professionals, including RNs, APRNs, physician assistants, MDs, orthopedic doctors, chiropractors, and more. It's also a great addition to current medical student coursework. Our certificate program offers focused learning opportunities across several specializations. You can explore in-depth certification courses in the following areas: Comprehensive Regenerative Dermatology, Orthopedic Infusion Care. In this program, you'll master advanced techniques combining dermatological and orthopedic applications of regenerative medicine. This 10-week advanced level course covers PRP exosome treatments for hair and face, microneedling, Sculptra, Botox and fillers, prolotherapy, PRP and stem cell joint injections, shockwave therapy, UV, IV, and more. Our Regenerative Dermatology and Aesthetics Fundamentals program covers the foundational principles of regenerative dermatology and treatments for skin rejuvenation and repair. In this course, you'll learn cutting-edge techniques for skin rejuvenation, wound healing, and aesthetic enhancement. This 8-week intermediate-level course covers advanced skin regeneration techniques, aesthetic application protocols, non-surgical facial rejuvenation, and wound healing optimization, including hands-on practice in integrating strategies such as hair restoration, facial injections, microneedling, Botox, and more. The Regenerative Orthopedic and Integrative Joint Care Certificate Program explores applications of regenerative medicine in the treatment of various orthopedic conditions and injuries. Master the latest advances in regenerative orthopedics and joint care for musculoskeletal conditions. This 8-week advanced level course covers advanced joint treatment protocols, musculoskeletal regeneration techniques, sports medicine applications, chronic pain management, and rehabilitation integration, such as PRP, exosome therapy, stem cell treatments, ultrasound-guided injections, shockwave therapy, and prolotherapy for various joints and the spine. If you're interested in bringing cutting-edge techniques to your medical practice, boosting revenue, and shaping the future of patient care, now's the time. Your future in advanced regenerative medicine starts today. Join a network of regenerative medicine pioneers. Visit the University of Bridgeport website at bridgeport.edu/regenerative medicine to learn more and enroll. Don't miss the opportunity to be at the forefront of medical innovation.